Forget your phone. This AI pin might just replace it. Flushed. Meet the Humane AI Pin. It's a revolutionary device without a screen. This wearable assistant sticks to your shirt. You interact with it by tapping. No more swiping through apps. Imagine asking it to send a message. It responds instantly, guiding you through tasks. Need to search? Just ask, and it fetches information for you. It even translates languages in real time. Communicate effortlessly across cultures. What's even cooler? It projects visuals on your palm using lasers. Instant presentation at your fingertips. This tech marvel comes from former Apple engineers. They've designed something that feels like science fiction. Would you ditch your smartphone for this? Imagine your daily life without a bulky device in your pocket. Use your voice for everything. This AI pin makes complex tasks simple. It changes how we connect with technology. So, why stick to traditional smartphones? The future is here, and it's wearable. To sum up, the Humane AI Pin is a game changer. It provides seamless communication and assistance. With no screen, it's understated yet powerful. Are you ready to embrace this new technology? Drop a light bulb in the comments and follow next-gen AI tools for more wild tech.